Who was the first to hoist the Pakistani flag in the United States? Who said the famous word पाकिस्तान का मतलब क्या? ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह. What was the main reason for the creation of Pakistan? What is the significance of the Lahore Resolution of 1940? When was the first official census conducted in Pakistan? Who was the first Chief Minister of Pakistan? Which river is called the lifeline of Pakistan? Who was the first Governor General of Pakistan after Quaid-e-Azam's death? In which year did Pakistan become a republic? Which city was the first capital of Pakistan? Which Pakistani leader was known as the Ambassador of Peace? Who wrote the famous poem लब पे आती है दुआ? What year did Pakistan join the United Nations? In which year was Pakistan national anthem officially adopted? Who was the first woman Prime Minister of Pakistan? Which leader is known for the famous two-nation theory? Which major event in Pakistan history took place on December 16, 1971? What is a term used to describe Pakistan's struggle for independence? Who was the first Muslim Nobel laureate in Pakistan? In what year did Pakistan become an official member of the Commonwealth of Nations? Which was the first war between India and Pakistan? Who was the first to declare Pakistan independence from British rule? What is the name of the official flag of Pakistan? In which year was the Green Resolution in Pakistan initiated? Who established the Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission? which Pakistani leader was known as the Lion of Punjab? Who signed the Pakistan Independence Act? Who was the last Governor General of Pakistan? Which country was the first to recognize Pakistan as an independent state? Who led Pakistan delegation to the UN in 1947 for the Kashmir issue? Who is known as the father of the nations in Pakistan? What is the national flower of Pakistan? Who is the founder of Pakistan People Party? What is the official language of Pakistan? In which year was Pakistan first constitution adopted? Who was the first Pakistani to win an Oscar? In which city is the Badshahi Mosque located? What is the national animal of Pakistan? What is the highest civilian award in Pakistan? Who was known as the Shakespeare of Pakistan? Which city is known as the City of Saints in Pakistan? Which famous Pakistani cricketer was known as the Captain Cool? Which country shares the longest border with Pakistan? Who was the first president of Pakistan? What is the currency of Pakistan? What is the capital city of Pakistan? Who is the longest serving Prime Minister of Pakistan? Which river is known as the mother of rivers in Pakistan? Which Pakistani city is known for its textile industry? What is the oldest university in Pakistan? In which year did Pakistan first participate in the Olympics? Which sport is Pakistan most successful in internationally? In which year did Pakistan test its first nuclear bomb? Who was the first to lay the foundation for Pakistan nuclear program? Which Pakistani poet was known as Pakistan? Who was the first woman to head a political party in Pakistan? What is the major source of irrigation in Pakistan? In which year was the Constitution of Pakistan suspended for the first time? Which Pakistani leader was imprisoned in 1977 under military rule? What is the title of Pakistan national anthem? Who was the Pakistan first female pilot? When was the first Pakistan Day celebrated? Who was the first to propose the idea of a separate Muslim state in South Asia? What is the longest river in Pakistan? Which was the first city of Pakistan to have a metro service? Who was the first to introduce land reforms in Pakistan? Which country did Pakistan fight the Kargil War with? Who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan? What is the national flower of Pakistan? Who was the first Pakistani cricketer to score a double century in test matches? Which is the highest mountain peak in Pakistan? Which was the first national park in Pakistan? What is the national currency of Pakistan? What was the founder of the All India Muslim League? What is the Pakistan national bird? Who established the State Bank of Pakistan? Who was the first Prime Minister of Azad Jammu and Kashmir? What is the national sports of Pakistan? In which year was Pakistan's first nuclear test conducted? Which Pakistani cricketer is known as the Sultan of Swing? What is the capital of Sindh province in Pakistan? What is the highest civilian award in Pakistan? Who wrote Pakistan national anthem? What is the official currency of Pakistan? Who was the first Muslim woman to win a Nobel Prize? Which Pakistani province is known as the land of rivers? Who was the first woman to receive the Sitara Imtiaz? In which year did Pakistan become a republic? Which Pakistani city is known as the City of Gardens? What is the main language spoken in Bangladesh? Balochistan. Who was the first woman governor of a Pakistani province? What is the national tree of Pakistan? Who was the first Pakistani to win a medal in Olympic? In which year did Pakistan become an independent country? What is the oldest mosque in Pakistan? Which Pakistani city is famous for its food and culinary culture?